Turn off my windshield wipers. Oops. So I'm at the Car Lovers car wash getting a deluxe, and the music stops when you go in your car because I'm on Sirius XM. So keep going forward to the green light stops blinking, and now you want to put your car in drive. Of course, I'm at Car Lovers and I'm doing the $9 deluxe. Okay, and there it goes. It's going to start spraying the car, getting it wet. Okay, and let's see, it's probably going to come all the way around to the side. Yeah, here it comes. That's the back of the car. There it comes. Spraying the windows. Make sure you keep your car in drive. Do not open your windows and do not open your doors. Here comes some soap. So the first one was a water rinse. The second is soap. And this is the passenger window. In the front window. The side window, lots of soap. And notice when you go in, if you have Sirius XM channel is unavailable because it cuts off the signal. Here comes some rinse water. So it's rinsing the entire car. Here's through the back. And here it comes to the side. Here it comes. Okay. So now we're moving down to the polishing. So if you can look at that sign right there, it's polishing my car. Or it's, oh, that was air dry. Sorry, that was air dry. So it's air drying right now because the light was blinking on air dry. I missed it. So that's the end. And so I'm going to drive forward. It's telling me to drive forward. Now also here, you can, for no extra cost, you can use the vacuum cleaner and you can use the hand wipes to wipe off your car and your windows and your tires for free. So this is the Car Lovers car wash. There's only two, and this is in Roanoke, Virginia. But these are the free vacuum cleaners for your interior cleaning of the car and all the wet hand towels you need for free, no additional cost. And now I'm going to head out this way. So approach slowly and the gate will open. And I do need to put on my seatbelt because I took it off to film the video. And that's the end. and that goes up. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.